baby.
Done.
Yeah, just looking at
6 bills.
Says when mommy come. I will go keep the dinner. Oh, sorry, baby. Can't put the thing there on it.
$1,000 for the clock on the side now. Yeah, about $1,000. I mean, I assume 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 she tell me. Oh, I that me there.
Oh, really? That would have been nice in the living room. I could have paid the outside part. Take up one, let me see it. I love that.
Nice.
So I'm probably not going to get the other thing today.
Alright.
Is only one of these you have two, Laurie? Two? No? Only two? Wow. Nice. Okay. Renee, take up the one into the box then. I'm going to put this way.
Oh gosh.
One in there?
Yeah, go looking at just ensure everything's secure.
Okay.
They're nice too, you know.
Very nice. I love the cookie one. I love this.
Oh, you know what's them candle here? Them smell good. Them kind of on the book, you know. But that is a reason. It's a reason why we don't have it, because we would have buy it.
Okay, none of these are price.
Put them bed riser, yeah.
I did have wooden ones. Oh, those are nice enough because it just fit into the price on the corner.
Couldn't get a lot of things. We just need the money.
I definitely need this because Renee, remember, so when mommy them come, I said the house born Rashina on. So when we're having the party, I can put the juice in there. I mean, more than one will be good too. Okay, some have the straw for
But you know, sister, them have the 1 year too. They something they dispenser, see it here.
Oh,
But the one you might want, you know, the bigger one, yeah, 3 gallon.
Okay.
Yeah, you might even want the 1 year, this a 3 gallon. See it here, so.
Lorraine.
See it here, so. See bigger one
The
there.
price
That
not
you
the
want.
big one, eh?
No, none of them then on the price.
Yeah, I think this one will be a bit.
Yeah.
And they match the house, the color of the house on my paint.
That's what I bet.
It's nice enough for the put some flowers.
Oh gosh.
I love this too. I need this one. On the price tag.
Alright, so these are for what? $3,000. $3,000 for these. These baskets are, let's see the top. I'm talking about the pandemic. You might be wondering how the prices are on the items now. So we went upstairs to look at some other stuff, but they were organizing and pricing and fixing up the area. So here are the stuff with prices now. So like this acrylic ice bucket, this one now is $2,000, and them have other jugs as well, like this one here. So the price them not bad, and the good thing what I like is they are modern. So you guys, if you're looking for different items, you have to check out Pings, because the thing is they get the stuff and they sell very quickly. So while I was here, some persons were here buying out the baskets and so if you're in this area, you can gradually look out for the pricing and just to see if there's something that you want for your decor. These rugs are $1,600. Some time ago they were $1,000. I bought one and they cut it in half sometime as well, like a doorway mat, and they used to sell it for $500, but I don't know why the price increased now. They have these smaller clocks now for $300, and as you can see, the large clock them finish. So you guys, when you come to Pings, you have to come and see it and buy it same time. They have these toothbrush holders $400, and them have these size for $200. So really and truly, the price is not bad here. This little decorative house set is $1,000, so you can come on and get these. I showed you the shelf before, but they have these fake tree. They look like Christmas tree. I don't know what kind of tree these, but these are for $500 for one. And I am going to show you upstairs as well. I'll go back up there and show you up there the items that they have. So let's head upstairs and see what they have now. So they have sheet upstairs. You can get a twin size double queen. They have $6,000, $4,000. They have different color, different price, so you guys can come and check them out. If you have a boy bedroom, you can come and get this football one if he's into football. They have the queen solid color sheet as well, $6,000. These are like 1,000 thread counts and 800 thread counts, so you know the quality is really good. And they come with 4 pillowcases, some of them as well, so you can come on and check them out. Curtains, they have curtain panels here for $1,500 each. So they have different color, but I don't really like these curtains. I don't really like these colors actually. So if it's something that you love, you can come on down here. They have this throw here for $6,000. It's soft and nice, but the brand is what, Premium Comfort. Yes, it's very soft and nice, so you can come and check them out. And if you want cushions, them have whole heap of cushion down here. Them have the pair, them have single pieces $1,000. You can get pair for $2,500 and $3,500. So them have different colors. I like this one here. I like this. What color this is? A blue color, something in between, something. Yeah, and them have this sage color here as well. Make today beautiful. So you can come on and check them out. So I saw some wedding stuff downstairs. I'll be going back downstairs to show you those wedding stuff. So let me head on downstairs back and show you that wedding section. So the wedding stuff that I saw was some coupons. So that's a bride and groom. See them here. So these glass here, you can get like mother of the groom $1,000. You have 60th birthday. So you can come on and check out if you're into these type of stuff. You have 30th birthday. So them have these mirrors. So mirrors are so hard to find. So if you see them on the price good, you can get them. Over here them have these that's a maid of honor and father of the groom. So really and truly for Pings, really as a fabric store, you're looking for little knickknacks, modern item, you can come on and check them. And I did show you some cups up close, so I'm going to show you those back now. These clear glass, they are $250, and you have these blue cup and they come in different color. Guys, come on over to Pings. I know you'll enjoy over here. Thanks for watching.